ebekɔ ne akwakwedi sa enkomo no sesia na fe yama updates on the etro yamame Agradaa the esi nyina ne se yamane bail bail conditions no o hwe se de na ekono a na akwakoye se ese utumi ekofie na mom ansa na obetumi akofie no se obmiti bail conditions no enti bail conditions no na akwakoye asemo a eden a na ontumi emiti ye ansa na so kra no na abra yamane bail na eye biblical enso ede mami ekokogina mu den ewo police station ti ene ba se onyanya bail na adwe na akwakoye bebre ye ne biblical eni nkomo kakra biblical otienka ye be mu akwa ba Coffee TV so ne Coffee Radio so ne
Coffee Radio so para on this
nyame adom ye ho eye sesi anwumre ya ye sen atese Agradaa ne bail condition on meet ye na ompie ye no na ama ebi send your messages ebi sasa anye bia wo de no na ama woda so ewo mu no ana se anamonto foforo bi na asan aba
Coffee was anasa be cheche you ka katreo cheche mu etreo ma wo tia se the bail conditions na ye dia ma no so otumi tikura no a ye to na ye no was here another people to bail her and only a first case
okay
and only the same case na yaman bail no nti sa bail condition intimi and cancel ya so case na was onya conform mu bail no ko ba what you say
yeah me too pa
and no according to no and periphone friend as a police phone friend
okay
okay the amukata me say omunya obi a obetime de link me fee kata abeto so allegedly no sana me na hu no
okay
and owie eno pokra na so tumi na obi kwa man de fee kata abeto so de man kra ampo no a was say yeah so me case no any another 7 people now over count on so case I was saying another people to pay her and then ama na you know say the freedom of being coffee no ayadin that's it
hey I just say yama bail na untumi nkofie de na den kakra o but the say na
so when you fair then your first case and yeah ya de ko abon na yaman bail
okay
unya no owie kura no ya house so no o say nya another people to be here that ka we say Coffee or first people ma bail no that was the first case na a court 9
okay
until some people cannot bail her it was another group of people on baby bail no and a condition at the man Coffee anosh and so we see over time the few people they are come and you are going to so there Coffee anosh and also dan we say pa yes your passport so want to travel and come back here and no dan we say pa there is a case na here first case na here train or ho an tie de ko central and so at the ho a train no nti eno na ma say no ni ma mo ya de ma
but sir asotwempo na mo pe atwena meka say so far they were fam bebrebe no enye enough
Coffee sanga eno no ye ka dia eno nka ata yi wasatre wo yesofo ewo you say or deep Pentecost sofo ewo a friend say so say me kin ko yini mra Coffee yama mra ni adwuma wai eno asotwe ase uma kwan na yes
no sir mra na adwuma ye ni nyina na ye se ebetwe nipa na so
yes
enti se mra na adwuma ne se ebetwe nipa na so se ya asotwe na bia na
ye ni India some no
anyway I don't see a different matter
yes please into no Coffee the better asofo bi frame kofo bi frame yinya niema mu ne de ebra ma me no eye niema hu no obi antumi ankra anka nche se ma me ade a wi di anye o but ko ba se mra no susu ne kasa na wasa na kofo frese yinya mu na eye dabi Coffee wara woro ma o ma mra ne ma me Agradaa indi why Nanya di suyama ubia.
One can say we also for now. Why young Kofa for air fro pachewa. Sen can a coin so say just.
Me kwanso no na kofi unim. O se unya group ona o boss ro boss as no de mra na chechire. O ewi aseso dum sadie.
Meaning pa.
Obi ye no sama Moses e mra nsam du ma mra nsam du so family ni pa nyina kwa ni so o ton aso. Ana kofi unim sa.
Meaning pa.
Nti ye nya group ona ye so no ono ka sa no ye mra nimfo. What the matter is, my friend, the God of justice will do attention me. You have to be said, God of justice. Into a maradia, a obey Pia. I was saying, Brano, a yet, a mao Bible, a mao Pia. Korea crown where you come, a mao. We woman running my life. You have done a fool who said, a bride, mana police, you man, and Nana, I'm out for deep police for Tamado. A police for you any millennium, not judicial, so Edumano, any millennium, who say, or mine or Emerald, would dim from Swa, and Branu Betty. Master, who know Emra, no Cofonia, Coffee, Madama, Mr.
Joe. So far, Pia, Yadasepa, Biblica, Yadase, and Yumri, Enti, na and Semno, and Chimuno. Yes, she said. Yadi kan I say your name lawyer bedi enkomoni ahwe what the difficulty has been. Say e bi frey say oh ko betumi akwa kugina mu ama no. Enti with this development here ebe has to say no betumi asachire bibi no will be entumi enchire ye say e betumi ene na lawyer fo ni bi edi enkomo ba kwana mi no ne yahwe say anamontu fufuro bi betumi apie mu aba. Was say don't be if we allow the court to deal with her, don't be stupid. No, I cannot ask good questions. Questions I mean, besides, where question there will be a dream. And stop being hypocrite and stop fooling. Why? Hey, me na mu trouble me say enyumre. We free afia oye and watcher and no ebaye. And if you pokuya say they have made the work hard for Kofi. Kofi, we have to start all over again. Your madam is too stubborn. And what a day abba. And you are by the questions that me be so. Was a Kofi, I and my wife salute you, keep it up. Okay, Nana Kwachiwa. Message out sure the buyer and no. And was say let the law work. She has to go to trial and see she'll be found guilty. And I said not guilty. Okay. And if we are abankwa eho. And was say Kofi nya chum na omi afia. Now me question me bisa and nya chumi. Them questions na me bisa was say I wonder for those who listen and believe when they say anything. Okay, omoji amampanyu for ni dia bra omo kan bibia Frank Holy and what they buy. Was say what is she going to do outside? She will find a way to disappear from Ghana. Amwaben Emmanuel Kojo Amwaben. Well, say I'm confused. I don't know who is saying the truth. Nana ya kunedu yadom. And truth near the here. Well, say appear. Use your sense. Don't let someone confuse you. Abraham or say Kwame. Okay, I saw for now a friend panic no. We also say me din ene a shon. So what is the angel who visited her at the cell the first time? Or his angel no. Me what's it? If you go and bail your madam, why? Van Damme message or show at the no. Was it now I can see Kofi, you are wicked man, pa. Why man? Nifri Jonathan Eho. And was it who will stand for Agrasco? Wicked woman like her, Monica Haik, and what show and no ebaye. Row Fosini, so actually 1.5k. Oh, but what kind of views? Augustine Ousu Mensa was to let the law work for all the pastors and prophets who are robbing the people money to make them self-rich. Or say, if you don't support evil, Kwabena attack. Question me be so. Asking questions does not mean I support or disagree. I'm just asking. Way free. Atonsu Van Damme Kofi TV. Stop being a hypocrite. That is not the way of a good journalist. A journalist can be sarcastic. A journalist can play the devil's advocate. And to allow us when we decide to play advocacy and ask questions. Was it Kofi? It's Agra's Kofi is Agra's friend. Oh, deep down he's unhappy. Away free Benedict